everybody, I am Priyanka and I am going to be your sugar makeup expert for today. Today I'll be showing you few makeup essentials which are a must-have in your makeup kit. So the first product I'm going to be showing you is the Goddess of Flawless SPF 30 BB Cream in the shade 01 Latte. So this product has an SPF of 30 which is great for summers. Again, it has an ultra lightweight formula which sinks deep into your skin and it's highly moisturizing, and it's again a really nice matte finish. So the second product I have is the Lash Mob Limitless Mascara, which is 01 Black with the Bang. This mascara has a really nice creamy texture. It gives beautiful volume to your lashes and it is also clump free. So you can see the difference, how beautifully it separates my lashes and give nice volume. So the third product I have is the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer in 01 Jerry Brown. This is a great product whether you want your brows to be naturally groomed or strikingly bold. This product has two ends. On one end is the actual product and on the other end it has a beautiful soft spoolie by which you can brush your brows. The fourth one I have is the Twist and Shout Fadeproof Kajal 01 Black Velvet. A kajal is a must-have in everyone's makeup kit and we always reach out for it for an everyday basis. So this is a great kajal and it requires only few strokes and you get this amazing look. So the fifth product is the face palette, which is a 3-in-1 palette which none of you can go about without. This product is really amazing as it has these three great products, which is a bronzer, a highlighter and a blush. This palette is called the Contour de Force Face Palette, which is 01 Subtle Summit. Now let's move on to the blush. Now I'll be highlighting the highest points of my face. So the last one I have is the Neversaydie Dry Creme Lipstick in 01 Subtle Island. This shade is a gorgeous fusion of brown and pink and it's best for everyday wear. So this is it everybody. This kit is amazing for your base makeup, face, eyes and lips. Bye.